Hello traders, in this video we're taking a look at the Forex Correlation Matrix for MT4. We'll cover how the correlation matrix appears on the screen, what the color-coded percentage values imply about relationships between currency pairs, and how traders can use this information to manage risks and avoid overexposure. At this point I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. I'm about to allow the LL imports. Alright, there we have it. As you can see, the Forex correlation matrix appears as a grid style table in a separate window, as you can see up here, with currency pairs listed along both the rows and the columns. Each cell in the grid shows the correlation value, typically on a scale from -100 to 100, representing how closely the two pairs have moved together over the chosen lookback period. Strong positive correlations, values near plus 100, imply that the pairs tend to move in the same direction, while strong negative correlations, values near -100, imply that they tend to move in opposite directions. Color shading is often used to make these relationships easier to read at a glance, with neutral colors for low correlation and more intense colors for stronger positive or negative relationships. This layout allows traders to quickly spot clusters of highly correlated pairs so they can avoid unintentionally duplicating or hedging the same exposure. As for the indicator settings, let's see what we have. So our customizable parameters include the currencies window below the table. So you can choose if you can have it or choose to have it below the table or where it currently is. As you can see, set to false over here. We have the show currencies sorted, show symbols sorted. We can also choose our preferred colors for how the table appears, so it fits in and stands out clearly on your underlying chart theme. Alright, so who's this indicator for? The Forex Correlation Matrix is suited to traders who manage multiple positions at once and want to understand how their chosen pairs move relative to each other. It can help both intraday and swing traders avoid taking several trades that all effectively bet on the same underlying move or inadvertently hedge one position with another. The matrix is an analytical risk management tool only and does not execute trades or guarantee outcomes. Correlations can and do change over time, especially around major news or regime shifts, so the values in the matrix should be treated as a current snapshot rather than a fixed rule, and always combined with broader technical and fundamental analysis. The download link for the Forex Correlation Matrix for MT4 is in the description below. You can read more about how correlation works and see usage examples on the Forex Geek website. If you like more videos on portfolio and risk-focused tools, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications.